Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable custom domains for Glide apps step by step clearly. To enable custom domains for your Glide apps, start by logging into your Glide account. Select the app you want to customize. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. In the settings menu, locate the custom domain option. Click on the custom domains section to open its settings. You will see a field to enter your desired custom domain name. Type in your custom domain without any prefixes like www or http. After entering your domain, click on the Save button. Next, you need to head over to your domain registrar's website. Log in to your domain registrar account. Find the DNS settings for your domain. You will need to create a name record. Set the name of the name record to www. For the value, input the Glide provided URL. This URL usually looks something like yourapp.glideapp.io. Save the changes in your DNS settings. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate. Once the changes are effective, return to your Glide app settings. Go back to the custom domains section. You should now see a verification option. Click on the verification button. If the domain is verified successfully, you will see a confirmation message. You can now set the custom domain as the primary domain for your app. Afterward, test the new custom domain to ensure it works properly. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled a custom domain for your Glide app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.